Just making dreams here. So there's the house. I'm getting ready to move out of that into that little camper back there. So let's go in here and take a look so maybe you guys have an understanding of why someone might be willing to do such a thing. So it sounds outlandish, but what I'm going to do here is pretty much disappear from everything that I know to be normal and move into this here camper. So as crazy as it sounds, yeah, I'm gonna sell the house and move everything that I own into this here camper. So I freaking love it. I'm gonna go away now so you can see it. Alright, so basically you walk in here, you have your bathroom with your sink, and then followed by to the right you have a full shower, nice little vent above it, nice removable shower head. So that's pretty nice. Then you got storage down here. Has system for your toilet underneath of it, and all your sink components. So you got your sink in here. You have a medicine cabinet, which is pretty cool. You have this here, very large storage cabinet, which also could double as a curtain rod with clothes hanger. You have your window back here. We have a Dometic toilet, followed by a door with a little bungee latch, and then when you close the door it is magnetic. It's kind of cool. Then you have your fake marble table with your bench style cassette dining table that lifts up, and it serves as storage underneath there. You have the length of the table. The table falls down into a bed. Then we have storage above this. If you're about to buy a Forest River R-Pod 192, just wait. We saved $7,000 on this trailer. About to tell you how we saved $7,000. So basically, you have your kitchenette. Your kitchen has a 2-burner propane stove. Has a really nice sink here. This has an extremely deep sink. I'd say that's about a foot deep. And then it has the double serving countertop. We have our thermostat, 20,000 BTU, heater, 13,000 BTU AC, full 4 cubic foot refrigerator with the door lock. You have your freezer for ice cream, and then you have your refrigerator for the rest of your life. You have another cabinet over here, a standard microwave that's not the convection. You have the 2-burner propane. The refrigerator runs on 12 volt. Then you have another cubby closet. We have a his and a her closet with cabinets. Clothes hanger rods. They gave me a boom box. This is one of the reasons we saved money. And then the other $7,000 model also had some cabinet doors that went into this storage space, which on mine you have to use underneath the sofa. So now, simply move your cushions aside. We have this latch. Mind you, I'm using one hand right now. Release the latch. Let that fall. And then we have a bed. So there's the bed, and one other thing I really liked about it is you can walk around the bed, so you don't have to crawl over your partner, girlfriend, whatever to get in or out of bed. So that's pretty nice. So we have our bed, and we have our couch, and then the storage underneath the bed is full storage from the bed all the way to the front where the pass-through storage is. This is a friction hinge door, so it stays in position so it doesn't slam shut on you. Come around to this particular compartment. We have an outdoor fridge on this model, as well as a receptacle for your table, and then a quick connect down there for propane, 4 stabilizer jack units. Your sewer hose will fit inside your bumper here. This is pre-wired for the Furrion rear kit. rear backup camera. We have an outdoor shower, so when I'm done dirt biking, we can get clean out here. We have a soft flush black tank system, cable satellite, standard sewage disconnects. My furnace is over here. We have a power cord included inside the unit. I believe it's 10 foot. City water connection, a 44-gallon external clean water source, propane exhaust, and then our beautiful which is locked on this side, front pass-through compartment. They included the if you're ever buying a new camper, don't leave without asking them to include a weight distribution system. They usually will. I learned this from a camper guy. And then here is the pass-through storage, which goes all the way through. Actually, you know what? So the sofa is separate. It had a whole another big separate compartment inside the sofa there. This is just the front pass-through. So there is a massive sofa compartment. This has an LED strip up there that goes the length of the awning. Has the power awning. It does go out far enough that your head doesn't, just barely touches the extension pole when I'm 6 foot. So, okay. How I saved $7,000. I left the showroom floor at $21,008 with this unit. Forest River R-Pods. They are $26,900 down here. This particular trailer you can pick up for $21,000. The difference is going to be your R-Pod these days come with a 24-inch TV mounted over here, as well as a Bluetooth CD player radio system here with 2 internal speakers, 2 external speakers. That's why they gave me a boombox. Mine comes with all the connections for King Wi-Fi satellite and my TV backer here. So in the next video, I'm going to show you our awesome TV backer, my 32-inch TV that I bought, our 200-watt solar, our Renogy solar panels, which this trailer is wired for solar. That's another reason that we got such a discount. There is our Furrion solar panel kit, which I have the adapter for, the Renogy. So we have the adapter, the Renogy solar panels, the TV mount. They had a central vac kick dust under here. We have more storage. And then they have that radio. So then I have the TV. I also bought some brackets to secure all of my cabinetry and things, just to make sure nothing falls apart while we're traveling and trying to live in it, because that is more use than these typically we get. So it had just a couple extra features on it. It had the King Wi-Fi system. If you were to buy all these things outright, I bought the TV, the mount, 50 brackets, solar panels, the cable adapter. Right now I'm at like 600 bucks. So I think all said and done with the back rack that I wanted, and then I have to buy the backup camera, and I want to do blind spot cameras and front cameras so I can double as a security system while I'm out on the road. All said and done, I'll be like 13 or 1400 into it, I'd say, roughly at this moment, and that's going to get me all the features that I wanted and then some. Then the $7,000 Forest River R-Pod 192. Loved the R-Pod 192. It was like my dream camper. I went to look at an R-Pod before this, which was used for $17,000. It wasn't an R92, but it was a decent one. But I then found this on my way, and I'm so glad I looked it up, because this is identical to an R-Pod 92 for a lot cheaper. And one other thing I didn't have to sacrifice, which a lot of these campers do when you get into this range, is we have the fiberglass side. So 167 RBKX fiberglass. It's the Platinum Salem FSX edition, and this is my beautiful new home. So I'm in the process of taking my 2,000 square foot home and downsizing it into this, which is 160 square foot, a little less than 10% of the value. And so far we're doing good. This is why I'm doing it. This is one reason I'm doing it, because I get to live in this beauty, among many other whys. One thing I learned, that if you're going to make this choice to pretty much flip your world upside down, change it from being someone that's very much not minimalistic to someone who's going to become minimalistic, clean, and just get their self together. And you know, I'm doing really well, but I have bigger goals and bigger journeys that I want to pursue, and this camper and moving out of the house, I believe in my heart, is truly going to allow the ability to experience the world in a new way, in a more meaningful way. And all the things that I'm sacrificing to do this, I have to succeed. There's no question, ifs, ands, buts about it. So one way, shape, or form, and hopefully multiple ways, I'm going to come out of this a better person, a more financially stable person, and ultimately ready to take on life and its challenges. Alrighty guys, if you like this video, if you want to see the TV mount, the 32-inch Vizio, along with the solar panels and everything we're going to do in this camper, I encourage you to hit subscribe. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. It doesn't hurt my feelings. I appreciate it either way. Alrighty guys, we'll see you in the next one.